Welcome to our comparison of the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will delve into the key features of both machines, including their capacities, wash cycles, and design. Whether you're living in an apartment or need a compact solution for your laundry needs, we've got you covered. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer has a capacity of 0.9 CU Fort, or 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the COSTWAY model boasts a larger capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. This makes the COSTWAY a better option for those who need to wash larger items or multiple garments at once. The BLACK+DECKER washer comes equipped with 5 wash cycles, an LED display, and safety features like auto unbalance detection and child lock. On the other hand, the COSTWAY model has a more basic design with manual timer controls. While it may lack some advanced features, it still gets the job done effectively. When it comes to durability, the BLACK+DECKER washer features a stainless steel tub, which is generally more durable and resistant to wear over time. In contrast, the COSTWAY model is made from ABS and PP plastic, which may not be as long-lasting. This difference in materials could influence your decision based on how often you plan to use the machine. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and COSTWAY portable washers have their unique advantages. If you prioritize advanced features and durability, the BLACK+DECKER is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity at a more affordable price, the COSTWAY could be the better option for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.